Oh, I really want to go to the sea.
Me too. Check out the scenery I painted.
I want to lay in the sun, feel the sea breeze, listen to the sound of waves.
Sammy, did you know that you can hear the sea in a seashell?
Really? I'll go check. Huh, that'll do. Wow, it's really true. Hey, is anybody there?
There is no one here.
Good macaroons!
Sammy, what have you done? It was the last sheet of paper. Where should I paint now?
The seashell's talking.
Oh, it's just a normal seashell. Well, I have an idea.
So what are you up to? It's gonna eat you alive!
Hi, guys. Today we're going to paint on these seashells.
Right on them? Is that even possible?
Of course. In the end, we'll get something unusual and very beautiful. We will paint here and here. I planned to decorate 3 seashells today, but I found only 2. Sammy!
Yes, did you call me?
Yes, Sammy, I need your help. Could you find another seashell for me?
A moment. So, I'm not a big expert, but this looks pretty much like a seashell.
I need a flat seashell.
It won't be easy, but I can do this.
While Sam is searching, we're going to start with the first seashell. Take a palette and add the color needed. Let's start with the base color. Right here. Apply a thin layer of the paint. Spread it evenly. What do you say? Beautiful, right? Let's speed up the process a little. Follow my lead. Now let's take some bright paint and apply it in little strokes. Whoosh, whoosh. Any ideas about the final result? I wonder how Sam is doing there.
Where can the seashell actually be? Let's run a search! Here. No. Maybe here. Empty. Ginger, tell me, did you take the seashell? Oh, you're not helping me at all.
Da-da-da-da-da. I guess our future landscape is taking shape. But it seems we'll need more of the blue paint. Let's decorate the sky with puffy clouds. Hey guys, give a thumbs up if you like that kind of craft. We will be super happy. Check out the beautiful landscape we drew. At this stage, our painting looks unfinished, so I want to add one thing here. Can you guess what it is? I saw it during our trip to the sea. I hope it looks more or less like the one I saw. I'm not such a great artist. Draw thin, delicate strokes like these. All right. I remember there was a small outhouse nearby. Oh, I wish I could come back to that place. All right, I'm finishing the outline, so we can begin coloring. Last details here and here. I guess the windows look quite nice. One goes here. Perfect. And a couple more. Here and here. Here comes the final touch. Literally. Oh, Sammy!
Oh, Sue!
Did you find the seashell?
It's still in the process.
I see. Do you want to see what I painted?
Wow, that's awesome, Sue!
Thanks, Sammy.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like the painting too, and I'm gonna keep searching. To find a seashell, you have to think like a seashell. I guess it's not working. Could the seashell fly away to the islands? And I'm gonna find it.
Meanwhile, let's get to the second seashell. I hope Sam will find the third one by the time I finish. Phew, this went a lot faster. I'm just making the finishing touches. Well, guys, are you ready to see the final result?
Here I'll definitely find that seashell. I guess I need help. Ahoy! All hands on deck, bring me the seashell. There's no seashell either on this island or in the sea, so where could it be?
So, Sammy, did you finally find the seashell?
No, Sue. I searched throughout the house and sailed all the nearby islands. It's easier to find a treasure chest than your seashell, Sue.
A treasure chest? So, bingo! That's where I put it.
I wasted so much time looking for it. Ugh.
Sorry, Sammy, I just forgot. Guys, let's get to the third seashell.
I accept all your apologies. It was fun anyways.
I'm glad you had a little adventure, Sammy. Sammy, does it remind you of something?
Oh, I got it! It's an octopus! But I think something's missing. Let Salvador Dali add some touches. I'm done. Pop.
Wow, Sammy, this is awesome! Guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!